hands are cold. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is kayeonyx. Today it is 32 degrees or 0 degrees Celsius, and today we're going to be looking around in the snow. What a surprise, it snowed today. I don't think anyone was expecting that. But now I have newfound inspiration. So let's get started. Let's go through here. I see some ducks over here. Like, what are you doing out? It's too cold. Oh, there's a mockingbird. Let me take this off. Okay, well, the birds are faster than me today, but let's see if we can catch up with the ducks. Excuse me, guys. Where did they go? There they are. I found you. They're staying together as a family. They're in a symmetrical formation. The pier is covered in snow. The ducks were closer, but now they're farther away. But it's okay. We still got them. That's nice. There's a little log, and then it looks like there was little 2 feet from a bird, and then there's snow, and then underneath is like a bunch of shells. I don't know. Like the shell and then the snow, it's like 2 opposite things. Like this, it just looks weird a little bit to me. In a good way, of course. I found a tire. Someone was doing some sort of ritual here. Let's get a photo of it. This is the site of something sacred. Do you see? So maybe don't litter, please. Yeah. I'm gonna get a picture of a tree though. It's like reaching out, you know? We have caught up with the ducks. Excuse me. They're going in all different directions. They're so fast. Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking like that? They're staring at me. Oh my god, you too? They're completely staring. They just went under. They're finding food. I got a couple pictures of them. I think they were confused as to why I was out here when it's so cold, which I'm also a little confused by, but I just had to do it. So, moving on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and there'll be a playlist at the end of all of the different nature photo vlogs, and I'll see you in the next one.